In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Wrike in just 5 minutes. Wrike is a powerful tool for project management, and once you get familiar with the interface, you'll find it incredibly helpful for organizing your tasks and collaborating with your team. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to wrike.com. In the upper right corner, you'll see the login button. Click on that and enter your email to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll notice various options in the header, which are consistent across almost any view of your Wrike workspace. This navigation bar is key, allowing you quick access to different areas of your workspace. As you explore, you'll see your current location within the workspace indicated by breadcrumbs. These breadcrumbs show the path to your current spot and are clickable, making it easy to navigate back to earlier sections without losing track. You'll also find the automation button. This takes you to the automation settings of your current space, allowing you to fine-tune your workflows. Nearby there's a drop-down providing quick access to other space and account settings, making adjustments straightforward. Next, look for the share button. This handy feature lets you share spaces, folders or projects with other Wrike users, facilitating seamless collaboration. And if you ever start tracking time on a task, a timer will appear, though this isn't always visible unless it's actively being used. You'll see a green plus sign, the creation button, which is a versatile tool. Clicking this allows you to create a new task, folder, project or space. You can also use it to draft items directly from a blueprint, send a request, or even invite new users to your Wrike account. This button is central to initiating any new activity within Wrike. For any quick assistance, there's a circled question mark icon that will provide access to the Wrike assistant. This can be incredibly useful if you encounter any issues or need guidance. It's important to note that what you see might vary depending on your license type and the access role you have within your current space. This is a crucial point, as some features may not be available to all users. The sidebar in Wrike serves as the main navigation hub from which you can access nearly anything within your account. Here you'll find your profile image, a search bar, and an inbox. There are quick links to created by me folders, starred tasks, and essential workspace areas like stream, dashboards, and reports. Understanding Wrike's organizational structure is key. Spaces, folders, projects, and tasks are the building blocks. Tasks are meant for short-term or single-step items